Hi guys, welcome to me and my kids. Today I'm gonna create the Easter baskets all from the Dollar Tree or dollar items. So the first thing that I got was these baskets. As you can see, they're hard plastic. They're so pretty and they're bendable, so the kids can even have it and use it to pick up some eggs or even carry some toys or anything they like for use for later on. So I got a pink for Lara and I got a green apple for Liam. So the first thing I'm gonna add, kind of like the paper grass. So I got a big bucket from last year and then I save it so I can use it again. So, and it's gonna make a higher level for the basket. And then to make it more colorful, I'm gonna add Easter grass that I got from the dollar as well, and I'm gonna split it for both of them. So this is how it's looking so far. So now that we have our baskets halfway filled with the grass, I'm gonna start picking the items that I got for them. The first thing that I got for both, it was this sound one. They make a funny sound. The next thing that I got was this Imagine inks, and I got these guys at Target in the clearance when it was Valentine's. They were original $4.99, but I paid 49 cents each. And the kids love it because they can color and the ink will come out. So take advantage of the holidays before each holiday to buy the clearance. And then it's not a Valentine thing, it just has a little hearts, but it's like all around things that you can use. So I'm gonna do Spider-Man for Liam, just like that. And I'm gonna do the Minions for Lara. Okay, another fun thing that I got was the gummy carrots. The kids love this and I get it every year at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna share these for both and maybe save some for a later to put in some little eggs. So I'm just put a few carrots in there. Another thing I got at Walmart were the chips. They're two for $1. So another thing I found at Valentine's clearance from Target was the marble gem ticket and the princess one. And this same thing were $4.99, so I paid 49 cents each. Take advantage of the 90%. I found these at Dollar Tree as well, and the kids love slime and they love anything like that you can kind of squish and play with it. So, and I got a red for Lara and a green for Liam. Just put it like that. Another item from Dollar Tree, the Hachi Mouse Gummy or the Mickey Mouse. And it even comes with stickers, not only gummy. And of course, I had to get some glitter slime because this is the year of slime. So I got a red and a golden for Lara and a blue and golden for Liam. And these were at Dollar Tree. Put it on top. Another thing that I found at Dollar Tree were this dinosaur surprise egg and the golden ball Shopkin surprise eggs. So these are Dollar Tree as well, and these were in the Easter area. I found the Easter bunnies at Target and it has some Star Wars inside. Super cute and super yummy for the kids. These were $1 at Target. We can finally get Kinder Joy on USA, so we got some Kinder eggs. I specifically got these at Target because they were $1.30 each, and I even found a coupon that if I'm gonna try to put the link down below, that you can print the coupon. It's $1 off on two, so you ended up paying 89 cents each. So I got a blue for Liam and a pink for Lara. And we had two light up balls, and they're kind of like crystal style, and they're really pretty to play. Mostly now it's coming summertime, so purple Lara, blue for Liam. I got this one for Lara that you had to auto collage like a mosaic thing. It's so pretty. It's stickers that you put on her hair and you create the little girl. And then I got this one for Liam, which he loved to paint and he loved the doggies. So I thought this is gonna be cute for each one of them. And these were at Dollar Tree as well. So this is how it's looking so far, and I love it. I think it's so colorful, so pretty, full of surprises. The last item that I got was these surprise plushie eggs. They were $1.29 each. And these were at Smith's or Kroger. So if you have a Kroger supermarket, this is where you're gonna find it. And they're original $2.99 and they were $1.29 each. And I took advantage because I think they're so cute. And they're gonna get a little plushie each. Kinda like the orange salmon color for Lara. And the blue for Liam. And that make a total to 13 items each, plus the basket and the grass, so it's less than $15. Because I got a lot of things for 50 cents, it's even cheaper than that. Less than $15, you can get a great basket, great item, super colorful. Like I mentioned, try to always find items on the holidays. Like this year, on Easter time, they're gonna make the clearance of 50%. It's gonna drop to 70 and that's gonna drop to 90. So make sure take advantage of the clearance situation, because that's a great thing to get super fun things like toys that you can save it for any holiday around. So I hope you like this video. Comment down below if you want me to do more DIYs like this. I'm so happy this ended up just being so special for them. So now I'm gonna finish the basket with one last item that I got at Dollar Tree. I got one bag and then it comes a pack of two. So I'm gonna do Liam first. Gonna pull that up. Put to Liam from Mom and Dad. And we got Liam's ready. And now I'm gonna finish with Lara's. Okay guys, so we're done with the basket. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. Bye bye. Happy Easter.